This is the first time you come to my village, Rina? Yeah, Taro is the first village in Bali. The village in Bali was born here in my village.
Wow.
You know?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
I just have read it.
Oh yeah? Oh. Are you for a long time in Bali? Or the first time you came to Bali?
I'm first time, but now I'm here for 4 months.
4 months? Oh yeah?
Yeah, and I'd like to stay here more.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Thanks.
How about in your country about this corona?
Oh, it's very bad also.
Bad?
Everything is closed.
It's bad for the world.
People are closed in homes.
Yeah?
We can walk here, yeah, it's okay, but people only can go to shop.
Yeah.
So
It's so bad. How do you think about this pandemic? It's to be a long time again?
once more?
About
Will
this?
it be long?
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it will last for some time, maybe in a few years.
Be careful, be careful. Okay. What do you feel? What do you feel? Are you confused? Okay, today I'm with Lina. We have trekking to the Yeh Pikat River trekking and waterfall. What do you feel about your trip this morning, Lina?
I was not expecting it to be like that, but this is experience I was craving for in Bali.
Oh yeah?
Dirty clothes, like sandals full of rocks,
Yeah.
he's tired, climbing through forests, like I really like it. It's so much fun, such a beautiful place and nature. I'm very glad to meet you, to share this experience.
Thank you.
So yeah, it was great.
Today, thank you for today, Lina. Okay.
Thank you also.
Maybe the next time you will be coming here again.
Yeah, I will come with friends.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, Lina, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.